In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle errors in a screenflow. Mastering this skill is essential for optimizing your workflows and ensuring smooth processes. So, let's dive right in and see how you can tackle this effectively. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the setup area in your interface, and from there, locate and click on Flows. This is your starting point, a central hub where you manage all your flow-related tasks. You might be creating a new flow today or revisiting an existing one to refine and troubleshoot it. Both pathways offer opportunities to enhance your processes with improved error handling. Once you're in your chosen flow, direct your attention to the specific elements within your flow design. Identifying the element you need to inspect is a pivotal step, as it's often at these points that errors can occur. The aim is to ensure that each part of your flow operates seamlessly, without unintended hitches. Next, let's talk about the fault connector. This is a crucial component in handling errors effectively. It acts as a signal when something isn't working as expected. Look for it within your interface. It's your tool for identifying where adjustments are needed. Now, what we want to do is connect this fault connector to one of your screen or action elements. The idea here is to configure these connections so that when an error is detected, your flow will guide users to a helpful screen or initiate an appropriate action. This proactive step not only aids in smoother transitions, but also empowers users with clearer guidance when mishaps occur. Okay, moving forward, pay close attention to any error messages that might pop up. These messages are not just cryptic codes, they offer valuable insights into what's not working. Sometimes the messages may seem technical or overwhelming, but don't worry, they're your key to understanding where the breakdown happened. After identifying the problem via the error message, it's time to take action by following the instructions provided to correct the issue. These guidelines are specifically designed to help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Whether it entails adjusting configurations or implementing new settings, addressing these errors now will prevent future disruptions. And there you have it, a straightforward way to handle errors in your screenflow. By following these steps, you not only fix existing issues, but also strengthen the overall reliability of your system. Remember, a well-managed workflow means fewer interruptions and more time to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been both informative and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques to refine your workflows and keep everything running smoothly. Until next time, happy flow building.